Hey everyone, welcome to new kit format. So we do have new sticker kits in the shop for 2021. All the new kits come in the new format, but the main big kits that have changed are the deluxe kits. So the mini kits are very similar. The Hobonichi kits actually has a page added, but it's very similar to the 5th page on the deluxe kit. So let me show you guys what changed, what didn't change, and a few upgrades that I did for these kits. So we first have our full boxes. Obviously this is the Serenity kit, by the way, but I've been trying to get up as many different variety and styles. So if you have a kit or a theme that you want in the shop later on, please leave a comment down below. And then we have the icon page. I'm calling this actually functional icons, by the way. So this entire section didn't change very much, just letting you guys know, but I did change this bottom part a little. We have a sidebar sticker and a few flags that I added here. Okay, so page 2 actually comes foiled now. I didn't actually have this foiled before, but it does come foiled now. We have our half boxes and quarter boxes. I added the skinny boxes here because some people requested some of these from the functional sheet, as well as a bit more headers and washi. So I added headers / washi. These are actually header size. If you don't get this foiled, this is actually just on white, except for everything that's here. So you can actually see those online because I do have previews of the foil version versus the one without foil once you actually look in the shop. And then we have our check boxes. So I did change the check boxes a little bit. I wanted to have these a little different than what I used to have, which were just like ombre boxes, and I wanted these to match like the sidebar stickers. And then we come to the functional deco sheet. So this is actually what I'm calling this sheet because it's full of stickers that you can either use for decoration or for layering, because again, we had a few people request a little bit more deco to the sheets in functional styles where you can like layer stickers if you needed to. So here's what this is, and of course I added more foil to these kits. We have our headers here. These are actually boxes, by the way. We do have washi boxes in a different page, but just letting you guys know that these are actually boxes. I prefer boxes to layer versus washi boxes, but we do have washi here in case you need those. And then we have some scallop washi. These were requested again to bring back into the shop. I actually had them in a previous kit, like literally like maybe 2018. So I brought them back. Same with all of the flags here. These were actually in the shop literally like back in like when I first started the shop. I revamped the entire kit here, and it does have like bits and pieces from before. Anyway, so we have our washi and dates. This page actually did not change at all. I tried to change it, but overall I actually really like the way this page is. No one actually requested anything about this page, so I kept it the same because it's actually a popular sheet even by itself, so I'll get orders with just these sheets. So just letting you guys know that I kept it the same because of that reason. We have your like washi that you can trim down, and then your like date headers here. Some flags, and then your like rescheduled and canceled stickers that again have not changed. So now we have the headers and labels sheet. I think I called this the functional labels just because there's so much labeling that you can use this sheet for. So you have your headers up the top. I added a couple more than what I had originally on the functional sheet. Same with the labels here. And then we have washi strips in this one. So these are actually trimmed down. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's actually 3 washi strips and then 2 skinny ones, and then we have some flags. I added this sticker, by the way. This one is like a monthly tracker, or you can use it to add like a month at a glance stickers on here. And then we have just a regular like box. And then the next sheet that we have, so we have the extra date headers if you need more of those, extra like scalloped headers, more blank labels, and boxes that are a little bit more deco, more checklists here. And then we have the glitter headers. Now, I do have a sheet with just the glitter headers as I used to have, but this is like the new version for those of you who wanted both. These are the same size as the previous sheet, by the way. So you have 3 and then 2 skinnier ones here. That is the entire kit. So the kits do come in 4 pages or 6 pages, and then these last 2 pages are a la carte, so you can pick and choose the pages that you need, but you can now purchase on any of these pages by themselves a la carte, so with foil or without foil. If here's what this kit looks like in my planner. I meant to do a plan with me with this, but my memory card did not transfer to my laptop and then it got deleted, so you can obviously not do this exactly, but it's actually kind of nice that you can layer a lot of things. Like, I haven't done that in a while. I'll link this kit down in the description, and I'll link the other kits also in the description so you guys can see all the newest kits in the shop. But that is it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and so I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.